Anything in here before I close it?
Oh yeah, I'll take a, yeah, let me come around to that. Absolutely. Absolutely. Let me get the insignia. Well, why don't you come over here and just kind of do a little narrative, you know, and again, we'll take, you know, about the car and, you know, and
just want to just kind of go over the technical.
Yeah, just what, you know, what your,
we'll do up here.
Body's made out of, and, you know.
This is all, this particular model is all fiberglass. We do offer it in carbon fiber as an upgrade as well. Car's got 335 Michelin tires, Z-rated tires all the way around on it. HRE billet wheels. In the front, basically, is storage.
So the front compartment's all storage for the
front, right?
And for the luggage.
Car, the front's going to be strictly storage. We're hoping to get golf club size in it. I think it's probably last right now. Yes. There'll be a carbon composite impact crush zone built into the front of the car. It's got Lamborghini vertical lift doors. Shouldn't be using the competition's name.
Sweet. Lambo doors, yeah, absolutely.
Lambo doors. We're working on a newer, upgraded dashboard, which is going to be much more curved. It's got much more curve in this way and stylish shape to it. It'll be primarily all digital and LCD screen displays on the actual production car, as opposed to the analog gauges. Interior will still be the Recaro suite seats and so forth in it.
Okay, Recaro, big name.
Yeah,
just
really
having my Trans Am.
This car will fit upwards of a 7-foot tall driver with plenty of leg room to stretch out. As you move back, these are actually air intake openings here. There's a heat exchanger right behind here on both sides, because the electric motor and the controller is liquid cooled. So that's the cooling system for it.
The width of those tires.
Yeah, it's about 12 inches of rubber per side on the ground.
Wow.
And the car is 114-inch wheelbase, 78 inches wide. So you can imagine handling, you know, when you dive off and turn a wheel, it's going to turn.
Gonna go with it. Comparable to a Lambo,
anything.
Porsche, anything.
It's comparable to any of the high-end sports cars out there. If you can look at it, I mean, it's kind of like the wolf in sheep's clothing. Is that all of our engineers at some point have worked for NASCAR teams and so forth.
Right.
So frame design is awesome in it. We've got great roll centers and suspension design in it, where the car really handles well.
Fantastic.
The car has air conditioning, heating, with all the basic creature comforts in it. These are your batteries back here. The fuse box here.
And those are lithium.
These are lithium polymer pouch style type cells that are cobalt manganese chemistry.
And you said that these batteries run about $20,000. Is that correct?
Approximately $20,000.
Just in the battery.
Today's market for a set of batteries.
And there's for the sets.
For a whole set
you
of
get
batteries.
2 for that. What a deal!
It's actually this car has 96 lithium cells in it total.
Wow.
And they're divided up into 12 packs of batteries with 8 cells per pack.
And they're all self-contained.
They're
no
all
maintenance.
Self-contained, no maintenance. It's in a enclosed box right here.
Right.
I mean, as far as like the connections, you get 2 high voltage connections here and this little connector here, and that's it. Other than that, it bolts in for the bottom and drops out the bottom of the car.
Fantastic.
We're working on making it. It is already designed to be more of a quick change, where if the infrastructure supported it, someday you could pull onto a lift, drop them out the bottom, plug another set in, and keep going.
Just keep on rolling, huh?
That's kind of our design concept that we've been trying to stay with from the beginning.
And you're about, what's I read about 250 miles?
No, this one's about 150 miles.
About 150 miles,
right.
Okay.
This particular car will go 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds at 130 miles an hour. We do have another model, the RTX, which has considerably more power. It will go 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds at 170 plus miles an hour.
What is the vehicle weight on this particular model we're looking at?
This particular model weighs 3,150 pounds. When you start putting more batteries for the RTX and so forth, it's going to add about 600 pounds more.
Right.
The battery weight alone in this car is 663 pounds.
Fantastic. That is slick. And you're looking to do production-wise once it gets going,
the actual production numbers.
Well, as far as how many would you be able to do on a